Hello and welcome. In today's discussion, we'll uncover the difference between cybersecurity and cyber insurance. Have you ever considered what happens when digital security measures fail? Cybersecurity is like having a strong lock on your digital door, keeping hackers out. It's all about preventing online attacks with tools like firewalls and endpoint protection software. Cyber insurance, on the other hand, is a financial safety net for your business when cybercriminals break in. Like our homes, we install alarms, gates, and walls to prevent break-ins. However, we still take out insurance on our household content in case thieves manage to break in and steal our jewelry and electronics. Cyber insurance is the same protection for your business. You deploy security measures to prevent hackers, and if a hacker still manages to compromise your systems and steal your data, cyber insurance assists in funding the costs and losses from such a breach. Ready to secure your business? Contact us today to learn more about our cybersecurity and cyber insurance solutions. iConnect, your IT business solutions specialist.